Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. I am George and this is You Want to Watch. Today we're going to be working on a Pexto screwdriver. This thing is rusty, crusty, and nasty. I say we bring it back to life. Let's go. Alright guys, well let's get a good look at this thing. This is the Pexto wood handle screwdriver. This thing is in pretty nasty shape. You can see bunch of rust on there. I did clean it up a little bit just to double check and make sure that it is a Pexto. Hopefully that's showing up on there. And it is. So we're going to continue on with this. First, I think I'm going to throw it on the wire wheel. Alrighty guys, well that's right off of the wire wheel. It cleaned up a lot better than I thought it was going to. We still need to address the handles. Got to clean that up a little bit. Just not sure how I want to go about cleaning those right offhand. Maybe the 1x30? Well, we can give it a shot. Yeah, let's grab that. Well, we got it pretty clean. I think what I'm going to do is give it a bit of hand sanding and we'll finish it off that way. This is just 150. So I'm going to throw this on the fiber wheel, and I think we're going to finish it off that way. So let me get to doing that. Alrighty guys, well you know what time it is. Put some stain on this handle. We're going to go with the Natural 209. That's right. Gonna give me the look that I want. Oh yeah, and it even still has the dark grain. Nice. That's what I was hoping for, actually. See, that's keeping all that character that's in the handle. That's what I was trying to do. That's why I went lightly with the 1x30 sander. I didn't want to go crazy with it. I wanted to keep the scars, the imperfections. I wanted to get a lot of the dirt out, which I managed to do, thank God. But yeah, I think that is going to match this just fine. Yeah, look at that. That's almost a perfect match. It's a little off. There's no wax on this one yet, so. Oh yeah, I think that's going to be really nice. Cool. Very, very cool. I'm happy with that. Just trying to keep character in it because, I mean, if it goes up on the wall 9 out of 10 times, I'm probably not going to use it. I might here and there, but I use these Pexto screwdrivers. These are really nice screwdrivers. And like I said, I use this one quite often. It's my little favorite #1 screwdriver to go with. So now I got a #2, and I'm pretty stoked about that. So I say we get us some wax on this handle, polish this up a little bit, and that'll be that. It's stain set in there enough. I'm going to go with the dark wax on this one instead of the natural. It's just a preference choice for me on this particular handle. It's not like it's really going to darken up the wood any. And you don't have to worry about getting wax all over the place because this is actually good for it. So. Clean up the shaft a little bit with this steel wool infused with the wax. Nice. And we'll let that tack up and we'll get her all wiped down. So let's let that tack up. Yeah, I like this. What do you think, guys? Pexto screwdriver came out pretty nice, huh? Like I said, all that patina is still in the wood. That's what I was going for. I really didn't want to take it all out though because it's earned its wings, you know. We did polish up the head a little bit. That's always nice to see that shiny. Of course, the edge, the slotted tip here, we cleaned that up. Hopefully this Pexto logo will show up. Hopefully that's showing, guys. I quite like it. Yeah. That's this one. Well, guys, we are all done with the Pexto #2 screwdriver. I'm quite happy with the way that this turned out. I do like the fact that I left it almost original looking.
I did polish up the end on there, and of course the slotted tip, polished that up as well. But we got it looking good, and I'm quite happy. Hope you guys are too. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you guys next week with another. Bye.